What's up guys? In today's video we're going to show you our top 5 selling donuts at Dinos Donuts. But first I want to find out what the favorite donuts are of my employees. Jessica, what's your favorite donut? Yeah, you do. You got a favorite donut. What's your favorite donut? Just take a guess. Just take a guess. I'll tell you if it's right. See the people. What'd you say? Okay, she likes blueberry. All right, Tony.
Yeah.
What's your favorite donut?
The blueberry.
Blueberry. All right, that's 2 for blueberry. That's good. So, what is your favorite donut?
My favorite donut is an apple fritter filled with apples.
Filled with apples.
Yes.
All right, Miss Lynn. Thanks.
You're welcome.
So Chris. We were saying before, what's your favorite donut?
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon roll. Oh yeah. Okay. I can see that. I like cinnamon rolls. Like I said before. He likes it when I give him a hard time. He won't say that, but he does. He likes it. All right, Ella. What is your favorite donut?
I would definitely have to say the blueberry cake is my favorite donut.
Why's that?
Okay. For starters, they're just always hot and delicious. It's the first thing that come out in the morning, and that's better than the first donut of the day coming out hot and fresh.
So blueberry cake.
Blueberry
Seems
cake.
like a lot of people like blueberry cake.
I think they're good iced, uniced.
All right, so now that we found what all my employees like, let's find out exactly, as far as sales, what our top 5 donuts are here at Dinos. So our number 5 donut is cinnamon rolls. Blueberry cake. Our number 1 donut, glazed donuts. Hey guys, that's our top 5 selling donuts here at Dinos Donuts. It may not be exactly your favorite donuts, but if you put in the comments below, tell us what your favorite donut is. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. It kind of helps this video be seen. Also, hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell. It kind of alerts you next time we make a new video, it comes out. Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next video. See you later. Bye. Alright, Mr. Hal McMillan, what's your favorite donut?
All of them actually, but if I gotta get it down to one, I'm a classic guy. Cinnamon rolls probably my favorite, but how do you beat a glazed donuts from Dinos? I mean, it melts in your mouth. It's a good hot one, a good glass of milk. It just doesn't get any better than that in Southwest Louisiana.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm gonna go with a glaze.
Glazed donut. All right.
Donut.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
bringing some right now to KPLC. They love them all. They love chocolate covered. They love glaze. They love the blueberry cake. And of course, always bring them some kolaches. So KPLC's favorite morning thing, Dino Donuts, once a month when I'm on there. Good seeing y'all.
Thank
man.
you so
I love
much.
you guys.